Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are kicking off a super important topic in the world of computer science, distributed computing. Big name, but don't worry, by the end of this video you'll understand it like a pro. Let's quickly jump in. Alright, let's start with the basics. These are two definitions. I won't be going word by word, but a basic overview of it. So, a distributed system is a group of computers that don't share memory or a clock. Each one works independently, but they all collaborate to act like one big unified system. Let's say you and your friends are working on a group project. You are all in different houses using different laptops. You communicate over WhatsApp and divide the tasks. But when the final project is submitted, it looks like it was made by one person, right? Boom! That's a distributed system in action. So the computers talk to each other by sending messages, not by sharing the same brain or RAM in this case. Going to the next definition. So, what runs on a distributed system? It's a distributed operating system, also called DOS. It makes the whole system feel like one big centralized OS to the user, even though it is actually spread across multiple machines. So, the main idea here is the transparency. The user shouldn't even realize they are using multiple computers. Think of it like cloud storage. So, you don't care where the file is stored as long as it opens when you click it. Talking about the motivation. Now, why do we even need distributed systems? Good question, right? And we have got four strong answers. First, resource sharing. Let's say shared printers, storage, even the CPUs across systems. Second is enhanced performance. So the different tasks are split, so things get done faster. Reliability and availability. One system fails, the other one keeps working. And last but not the least, modular expandability. You can grow the system easily over time. It's like growing your team without needing to rebuild the office. Sounds great, right? Talking about the rise of distributed systems. So, why are distributed systems becoming the new normal? Let's see what has changed over time. So processors are getting more powerful, hardware prices have dropped, network connectivity is better than ever, and people are building advanced applications like AI, gaming, simulations, even drug discovery. So put all that together and you get a world where connecting many systems makes more sense than building one super expensive machine. Now, the definition continued with the help of this diagram. So, a distributed system can also be structured using something called middleware, kind of like a middleman that helps different systems talk to each other smoothly. So, here are some like basic real world examples of distributed systems you probably use daily. First one would be the web. The internet itself is one giant distributed system. Processor pools, like where CPUs are pooled to perform tasks. Workflow systems, used by organizations to manage and automate tasks across multiple departments. Basically, if you have used the internet today, congrats! You are already a distributed system user. Of course, distributed systems are amazing, but they are not perfect. Let's weigh the good and the not so good. Talking about the advantages, easy communication and resource sharing, great economy like more value per rupee or dollar, highly reliable and scalable. You can expand them gradually, but the disadvantages it needs specialized OS and apps. High speed internet is a must, and security and privacy become complex. It's like a group project, can be powerful, but only if you trust your teammates not to delete your part. Okay, talking about the characteristics, so let's wrap it up with some defining traits of distributed systems. So, multiple computers, each has its own memory and OS, no shared clock or memory, communicate by message passing, each one is autonomous, local resources are easy to access, remote resources are harder to reach because of network delay and CPU overhead of handling messages. So, accessing remote resources is like asking your sibling for the TV remote, like from another room. There's delay, negotiation, and maybe even conflict. And that's a quick wrap. I hope you now understand what distributed computing is all about and why it is shaping the future of technology. If you like this video, leave a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Any questions? Drop them in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.